Hey, what time's the babysitter coming?
They should be here any minute.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Are you the
babysitter, yeah.
No worries. Come on in, she's out back.
Okay.
There she is. That's my baby. She's a little needy. So check her temperature regularly, feed her often. The wood's right over there.
Okay, Mr. M, don't worry about it. Go enjoy your night. I've got this.
Thanks, Bob. I'll be right over there if you need anything.
Sure. Let's party. I'm not a babysitter. Neither are you. Stop kidding yourself. Get a Camp Chef Woodwind Pro. It's all the flavor of an offset with the convenience of a pellet grill. Another smoke box on top of the big smoke box. You stick wood in it, whatever kind of wood you want. Hickory, it'll do it. Maple, it'll do it. Apple, it'll do it. Oak, yes.